Before you came to us, what were your health issues?
Majorly gut issues,
Okay.
severe stomach pain, bloating, headaches. I was dealing with it since 1.5 year back.
अच्छा, 1.5-2 साल से
हाँ
issues.
था,
Okay.
चल रहा था अपना
हम्म,
घरेलू नुस्खा सब ट्राई कर रहे थे, डॉक्टर्स के पास जा रहे थे, एंटीबायोटिक्स भी खा रही थी, बट वो टेम्पररी रिलीफ था, परमानेंट रिलीफ हुआ नहीं. सो इवन आई वेंट टू हैदराबाद, बट वो ये मेडिसिन का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा था. सो आई हर्ड ऑफ यू कि यू रिवर्सेस डिजीजेस थ्रू good food, healthy food, and if you change your lifestyle, it really helps. So I wanted to try you.
So
Basically.
then we met and we made some changes in your routine.
Definitely.
Tell us one big change that you think really helped in your gut issues.
One big change was dairy. I had to quit dairy from my daily routine, which I was really very fond of. It was painful, but that really took me out from my major gut issues.
So पहले आपका milk products consumption होता था?
हाँ, दूध दही सब कुछ बहुत ज्यादा था, because I am from Devghar, so I had cow at my house, so दूध दही खा पी के ही बड़ी हुई हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो वो हैबिट रही, दूध सोने के पहले वो दूध का 1 ग्लास पीना, सुबह भी दूध, वो तो दूध छोड़ना वाज लाइक कि बाबा रे, दूध कैसे छूट सकता है.
Okay.
बट देन व्हेन यू सेड कि डेयरी बंद करना होगा, एक बार तो लगा कि भाग जाऊं, बट देन इट वाज लाइक ठीक है, ट्राई करते हैं एक बार सोच लो तो nothing is impossible.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So when you removed milk products, I think this is a big learning for everyone because the milk that we get now,
Right.
and the milk that we used to get 100 years back or cow's milk and 50 साल पहले is very different because of a lot of added hormones in the milk product today.
Very true.
And that milk product creates a lot of inflammation of the gut. That is a very, very important thing. So जैसे आपने milk product हटाया and you added more other things like drumsticks and a lot of other plant-based food.
Fruits, vegetables, salads.
Exactly. So you saw improvement in your gut issues.
Definitely. Like 1-1.5 हफ्ते बहुत बैड हेडेक रहा, बिकॉज मेरा पूरा सिस्टम चेंज हो रहा था. आई गेस आई रिमेम्बर आई इवन कॉल्ड यू कि ऐसा हो रहा है, बट देन दे वर लाइक कि इट विल टेक टाइम, बी पेशेंट. तो ठीक है, आई ट्राइड, आई केप्ट ट्राइंग, बट देन जब रिजल्ट्स लगने लग गया, मिलने लग गया, तो आई वाज लाइक नो, ये करना ही पड़ेगा.
And we last 5 years, since we almost 4-5 years we have met, and gut wise, acidity, bloating, reflux.
Now I am like very used to not having dairy. आदत भी पड़ गया है, but once in a while I do.
which
So
is
that's
fine.
okay. Like, and that too with 2 spoons of milk, I am very much okay. So I'm absolutely fine and satisfied.
And no gut issues.
No, not at all.
Brilliant.
Once in a while it is, I would say, when I do lots of cheating, but it is not there.
Very nice. What is your age now?
I'm 44.
44 years, Chetna ji could reverse her severe gut issues by eating more natural, more seasonal, more plant-based. She avoided things like processed foods, packet foods, milk products, and which really started healing her gut. In India today, so many people are suffering with acid reflux, gastric issues, bloating, gut issues, and as a result of which their entire immune system and health is getting compromised. And if she can do it at the age of 44, I am sure all of us can do that. It is just a matter of little discipline and little sincerity. Now, Chetna ji, before we close this, what are a couple of your messages for all the viewers and listeners today?
I think lots of people, like we generally think कि पतला होना है, पतला होना है. So I would say पतला होने का सब कोई सोचते हैं कि खाना बंद कर दो, कम खाओ, पतला हो जाएंगे. But it's not always about eating less. I feel it's always eating right type of food at right time. Timing is also very important, and right food is also very important. And if you want to reverse your diseases, he is one person I would say. If I can reverse my disease, everyone else can also do it at any age. Age is not a bar. At even 60, 70, at the age of people can also do this. Just a mindset. Just a mind. If you think, you can do it.
Very true. Very well said. It's just a mindset. Chetna ji, what is your thought on, because you have 2 kids,
Yes.
right? And what are your thoughts on younger generation today who are eating a lot of processed food, packet food, not eating more natural foods? What is your message for them? Because आपने वो पूरा journey देखा है from poor gut health to now much better health wise, gut wise. What is your advice to younger generation today?
To stop immediately the packaged food. They are like really very, very harmful. They don't understand, but
Right.
I would advise them to have homemade fresh food, have lots of fruits, have lots of vegetables, but and stop immediately packet food. They are very bad. Maida, if you can avoid, and dairy, of course, I would recommend dairy.
Correct.
Stop dairy.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Chetna ji.
Thank
You
you.
know, she's such an inspiration for so many people. She's a brilliant soul and an amazing person, and a very, very dedicated student. With the help of right food, she was able to reverse her severe gut issues. Because if, as she said, if she can do it, I'm sure all of us can do it. All it needs is mindset, as she says, real discipline, sincerity, and we all can take back our health in our hands.